Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego fountain. So, I'm going to start off with this. This is a 8x8 plate, and you're just going to want to copy this. So, now, you're going to want to fill this in with a blue plate, or you can substitute for two small ones like I'm going to do. Now, you are going to take 4 1x2s, put them on the edges, and now you're just going to want to fill all this in with gray tiles. Okay, so we have this, and now you're going to want to take 4 of these curved pieces and stick them on right there, and then we're going to turn it all around. And now we're going to want to take 2 of these, stack them on top of each other, and then you're going to want to take one of these, put it on top, and then take 4 of these and place them around the edges. Now you're going to take one of these pieces, this white piece, and stick it on all the way. And then you're just going to come and stick this as far down as it goes. You're now going to place this in front of you. Now you'll take 4 of these clear pieces and just kind of put them on here in a curved way like this. And then you're going to repeat that 4 times. So, now, you just take it, and we're going to place it on these. So there we go, it's kind of swirl fountain. And then, take one of these 3x3 discs, and this clear one, and put this clear one inside of the bigger one. And you're just going to place it there. And there we have our cool little fountain. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.